Okay, what I'm doing here, not really a project, but I'm going to do this for a while. Yeah, maybe. Okay, I got to take this cover off. I'm going to slip it up a little bit. Got that? Not even better. Too much. Okay, so I'm going to take this cover off of this grandfather clock. And I'm going to set this down over here. "75 inches, baby." So this is the inside of the clock. And when we roll it up, oh Jesus, you didn't even see any of that. When we roll up the string to get it to work again, there's a lot of string right there, which is when it's unwound, then that would be tightened up and that would be unwound. But what happens is, see all that high string, the string that's taller than the rest of it, that's the string that's either slows down or speeds up the clock. And I can't remember. And I don't know how much you guys can see with that, but the light is very bright for some reason, as far as hindering the use of the light. It kind of too bright for whatever it reflects off of. And this is the inside of an 1803 to 012 clock. I think that's what it says. And it's been it's got gears in it that weren't original. Somebody put them in, because it was original, I'm pretty sure, a wood clock. Whatever. So see where that wound up? That's what I wound up right there. That's a 5-pound weight. And I wound it up. And I wound it up onto that top of that roll, and I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to have to let that work itself out anyway. I really don't know what to look at. I don't know if I pulled the string backwards too far where the height is, and I might have gone too far and it might have fallen over that edge. See that piece right there? I think that's a snap to hold it. It goes up once, lets it out. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay, lets the string out. Alright, well, we're going to watch it. The cats love that shit. Yeah, we're going to watch it and see if it runs pretty good or not. So we're going to, in fact, we're just going to, should level this out. Now Sharon wants me to get rid of wires over here too. Let's see what we got for wires here. Oh yeah, when I move the TV. Can you see that? No, you can't, can you? So what? Yeah, it just comes right out the other side. Hang on, I'll get a flashlight. I'll get a flashlight. Yeah, you're not cleaning basket back here. Sharon gave me another clip. See that clip at the end of that leg? Well, she gave me a clip, and it must have fallen off, because this, I can't see anything. I mean, it might have fallen into the into the heating system, but I don't see anything. Oops. Alright. Is that it? So she wants me to hide the wires. And for in order for me to hide the wires, I have to put them under. So I more or less have to bring stuff this way. Yep, that's it, Gary. When the TV goes down, you'll know it. Now see, that's what I need to do. I need to get that right there. Oh, that's it. Oh, well, it fits under, so I can... I don't really want to unplug anything. Well, that's the short one, isn't it? Well, if I don't unplug anything, then I can put that behind there, because that's probably the same thickness as that. I could probably, no, it's a little bit thicker. Not much. Alright, well, I can bring that to this side. And watch this. Just enough to get those wires in there, because this is open. And this, if it's long enough, come on, buddy, be long enough. Nope. And what's that from? That's from, oh, there you go. That's from my cable TV box. Can you guys see any of this shit that I'm doing? Probably not, right? There we go. It's my cable TV box. How can I not show that? And how far is this from there? Oh, maybe I can do that. Nope. No, that's too short. I don't think I'm going to do. It's almost the same distance. Did you guys see that? Unplug it here. And I've got, let's say, 2 foot. Right here, I've got maybe 1.5 foot, because that won't be there. But that'll be right there, and I can even move this over a skosh, like that. Because you won't probably see any wires when they're underneath that, and that will hold down some of those wires. Because most of those wires, that'll still be the same length, though, to get to the cable box from there. But if I can hide them better over here, I would be better off. And I can't put them behind this, because that's a solid. If that wasn't a solid, I would run that extension cord right to it. Oh, can I run the extension cord all the way over there? Oh, hang on. Extension cord underneath there, and up, and connect everything in the back. You guys see that, huh? Connect everything in the back on an extension cord. Yeah, why do I need those 3? The only thing I need is the cable underneath, because that's the only thing that's going to show. Oh, yeah, sure, I'll get rid of all that for